When I made it to the intersection, I realized how screwed I was.
Alright, we're going back! We're going back! We're going back!
Boy. Oh, shit!
When the tornado hit, pieces of debris flew by my face at more than 100 miles per hour, missing me by a few inches. My car was also picked up by the nearby grain bin and was rolled multiple times. All I could do was brace up against the steering wheel and hold on for the wildest ride of my life.
Man, this the only probably this may be your only possibility ever surviving a fucking tornado if you not even at the tip of that motherfucker, but you're on the outskirts of where the wind is just spiraling crazy and shit, to where the debris is just pushing shit aside, or the wind is just pushing shit aside, bro. This nigga car rolled multiple times. His ass can get stretched up by the debris, the glass, anything that's in that car right now. But he was able to survive because he was in the comfort of a car. We gotta give you respect, my boy, cause you went all out for this one dedication. I said dedication. There's one dedicated storm chase right here, and you was able to survive that shit. The Most High had your ass protected for real, boy. You ain't make it out there by yourself. You made it with God, my boy. If some shit ever like that ever happens and I leave unscathed, I can't thank nobody but the Most High for that. On my soul. That shit is crazy. And you know how much fucking debris is picked up within a tornado? So anything, nigga, anything could have punctured your body while you went through that.